Things getting a bit crazy here. We've been stuck in a house with each other for 25 days. But I love my mum.
What are those bad boys? Those are the basis of our existence in the Middle East. The name for the chickpeas in Arabic is hummus, and in Hebrew. We're very economical with words in the Middle East. It's both the name of the dish and the chickpea. I've soaked them overnight. I'm gonna rinse off the soaking water and cook them in fresh water. No salt in the water. This is not pasta. This is hummus.
Here, I'm gonna put some salt in there.
Do not. Osmosis. Remember osmosis from school? You're trying to get as much water into the chickpea. If you remember osmosis, think about it. Don't put salt in your water. Let the chickpeas absorb as much water as you can.
Because the salt will take the water out of the chickpea.
No!
Eat it, you $5.
No! Oh, yeah! Go away!
What goes in a falafel? Chickpeas, soaked, not cooked. Bad. Cooking. That's for hummus. This is just soaked. Chickpeas, a food processor. It's not here, but we might have one. Okay, you need onion.
Yep.
Get that onion. So we're trying to get the moisture out of the onion by putting salt in it. You don't want moist falafels.
They don't hold together. And what usually people do is they put some bread in it. It's dry bread. There's a huge demand for gluten-free falafel. I get rid of all the water so I can have a dry mixture that will hold together. And that's why I get the water out of the salt.
It's been 2 hours since we have been cooking our chickpeas. Say that again?
If you use the chickpea water when it's cold, you reserve it, you can whip it up to make vegan meringues.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's called aquafaba.
Aquafaba. What did you say?
Well, considering we're almost at the end of 4 weeks lockdown, we're all a bit unhinged.
Speak for yourself, mate.
Right, okay.
Okay, so
most people don't have tahini in a bucket in their house. I do just because I brought it back from work.
Jesus Christ.
There's quite a lot of tahini in there, but
What
we use a lot of tahini. This is Lebanese tahini.
Okay.
And it's a white tahini. Mm-hmm. If you get the organic, unhulled tahini, which is brown, it's not going to be as nice.
Scandal. You heard it here first.
Scandal.
So-
Well, it doesn't not because it's organic. The unhulled tahini that you usually get in the supermarket, it's just this. It's got a real strong flavor, and it won't make nice hummus. If you want to have nice hummus, you're going to have to go out your way to get the proper Lebanese tahini.
Israeli woman plugs Lebanese tahini. Is this world peace?
Yes.
please end it all. Please. This quarantine is... So you've stabbed it. Why?
Otherwise it'll blow up.
Salt. Yep. Listen up, Kiwis. Don't skimp out on your herbs.
And don't use that curly.
Don't use that. What?
Curly.
Italian flat leaf parsley only.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you've failed your mother.
I usually don't use these horrible Telegraph.
So we can't have Lebanese cucumbers all the time. We're in a global pandemic.
Yeah.
All I could do was go to the bloody supermarket.
Sorry.
So you've taken the inside out because it doesn't please you.
It doesn't please me. The seeds, it's watery and a little bit bitter, so no, we don't like that. Yay, bagel!
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, they're awesome!
So this is why you love email, because Middle Eastern food is the best.
Wow, look at that.
So good for you. It's tasty. It's also so healthy. The Mediterranean diet is what makes you live long. There you go.
Cheers! Day 25!
We love it.